Hello po. Actually, sobrang laki po ng impact and I think we're all aware of it bilang sobrang successful ng season ng PBB na to and we're grateful to be part of it. It actually changed my life as an actress also. One of the reason why I joined PBB is mas makilala ko ng mga tao as Ashley Ortega kasi bilang matagal na rin po ako sa industriya, lagi lang po nila ako nakikita sa mga teleserye and the roles that I portray. But inside the PBB house, mas nakilala nila ako as Ashley, as how I am as a person. And it changed my life, even though I was the first evictee. So unexpectedly, sobrang daming blessings pong dumating sa buhay ko and I will always be grateful for that. Especially yung mga supporters ko at yung natanggap ko when I got evicted, I thought being the first evictee was like a huge embarrassment. Pero nung paglabas ko sa outside world, it was the other way around. As in, I was loved and supported by a lot of people. And if it weren't for them, feeling ko, it wasn't easy for me to recover right away. But because of their warm welcome and their support, sobrang nagbago yung life ko. And even sa work ko ngayon, I'm so grateful sa mga brands who trusted me right now, sa mga endorsements na nakuha ko. I'm so grateful for them. Yes, lalong-lalo na yung Lux Slim, kasi Lux Slim was a huge brand inside Kuya's house. As in, meron talaga silang pwesto sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. And unexpectedly, when I got evicted, they reached out on me right away. And now, I'm part of the Lux Slim family. And I'm so grateful for that. And other than that, marami rin mga lumapit. And may mga projects na rin actually. May teleserye, may movie, may MMFF movie akong gagawin. So, I'm just really grateful. And lahat po ng, hindi ko in-expect lahat na nangyari. Actually, lahat kami, like PBB changed our life and we will always be grateful sa lahat ng mga taong nagmahal at nagsuporta sa amin.
Thank you so much, Ashley. Beautifully said. So let's hear it naman siguro from you, Michael.
Good morning, Ms. G. That question really fascinates me because I was talking to my fellow housemates. Sabi ko nga, bago tayo pumasok sa bahay ni Kuya, ibang-iba yung buhay namin. Until compared to when we all went out, whether they were Big Four, they were evictees, talagang ang laki ng pagbago. And it's something that we truly cherish and we're grateful for kasi it was impactful. I mean, this PBB stint for us was not just a way to introduce ourselves to the world, but it was for us to know ourselves better. For me personally, bukod sa tulong sa career, tulong din sa sa sarili kong buhay. I mean, it taught me many life lessons, how to be a better person, a better housemate, and to be a better actor. Especially in this industry na marami tayong kailangan alagaan, yung mga taong sumusuporta sa atin, yung mga bosses, yung network, of course. And I think through this, you're right, it's a training ground that really impacted my life to navigate in this industry in a different way na. And I'm very thankful, of course, to Sparkle, to Miss Annette, Miss Joy Bosvig for giving me the opportunity to enter this house. It was truly unexpected for me. It was a full circle moment kasi nga, the reason why I started showbiz was all because of PBB. And the impossible became possible, the two networks collaborating to create history. And I'm being part of that. I'm so thankful for it. And of course, ABS for allowing us, mga kapuso, to enter their ground, to enter that house, that very special house. It was meaningful. And yung pagbabago talaga, after nakikita ko yung name ko, nagte-trend. Sabi ko, shocks, for the first time in my life, may Michael Sager sa X. Sabi ko, wow! So kinilig na ako doon ng site. And of course, yung mga fans are very supportive. May mga signs sila, may mga sentra, tawag doon. And nagugulat na ako sa TikTok rin, ang dami ko nakakita mga edits. So, it's so sweet lang and I feel like that's what I'm so thankful for, just seeing how people accepted, not just me, but all of us in a way that they really enjoyed the season, they really supported us through thick and thin, and I'm so grateful for that. Kaya, to PBB, to GMA, and to ABS, maraming salamat.
Wow, that was so beautiful. Tama nga, no? Just their presence here is groundbreaking in itself. Kasi nga, collab. Okay, but let's hear it naman from Dustin.
Hi, Miss G. Good morning. And for me naman, I would say, before entering PBB, sabi ko nila, lagi ko sinasabi na bahala na. So, paglabas ko, sobrang unexpected na lahat kasi I wasn't expecting anything talaga from me, from what's gonna happen after, PBB. But then, ngayon, napakaswerte ko kasi dami nagmamahal sa amin lahat. And for sure, hindi namin yun expect lahat. And masasabi ko lang, ang laki na natulong niya sa life ko talaga. Lalo na sa business ko, sa restaurant, sa Araya. Kain kayo dun, ha?
Yes! Tama yan! restaurants
Yeah.
life.
And of course, sa career ko rin. Grabe, yung drive ko sa pag-arte, biglang umapoy. Sobrang iba eh. Kasi before, honestly, naghihintay lang ako for the right time. So, I believe now na ito na yung right time to do the work and to make efforts and ayun, hopefully mas madaming opportunities na dumating and for sure i-grab natin yun na.
Lahat. Yes, thank you so much, Dustin. Dumating na ang right time. Let's hear it again from AZ. Sige, dire-diretso na lang tayo pag ganon. Ex-housemate, sorry. Okay. Josh naman.
Ayan, hello po. Good morning. Pete. Grabe. Dahil okay. Ako, grabe. Super grateful ako sa PBB. As in, there's no words I parang hindi ko kaya explain paano ako thankful to PBB. Kasi inuwi ko talaga dito yung pangarap ko. I was in the UK for 7 years. Umuwi ako ng 2020 to come here. And that's my career. And
You can switch your mic, yes.
Thank you.
Para marinig naman namin yung medyo
check.
British accent mo pa na nanditira.
Just nice, man.
Yes,
And
okay.
ito, magandang mic na to. Hello po, ulit. Ayan, siguro sa akin, sobrang thankful ako, grateful for PBB. Kasi ngayon nakikilala na ako. Ngayon nakikita na ako. Kaya, I'm really thankful. Kasi, ang tagal ko na rin po sa industriyang ito and dami ko na rin nagawa. Pero, sa lahat ng ginagawa ko, hindi pa rin ako nakikilala. Kaya, because of PBB, now people see me. Now people appreciate me for me, which is really nice. And kasi nasa labas ako, nagugulat ako whenever I'm in the mall or in the road. Everyone's gonna be like, uy, si Josh, oh. Si Josh from PBB. Kaya natutuwa ako na nakikilala na nila ako sa pangalan ko, hindi lang sa pangalan ng character ko. And of course, I'm so thankful for GMA, for accepting me back. Kasi 2016 I signed, and then umalis ako bigla all of a sudden, and now I came back and they still wanted me. Kaya maraming salamat po for letting me be here. Kasi gusto ko lang talaga ipakita yung sarili ko sa mundong ito. And be an inspiration to others na kahit anong mangyari sa buhay mo, everything happens for a reason at nandito tayo lahat for a purpose. So, thank you GMA, thank you guys for being here.
Ayan, thank you so much, Josh. And grabe, nag-grow din talaga yung confidence mo. I always tell you that, but just seeing you before and now, iba talaga yung nagagawa sa inyo ng bahay ni Kuya. So, with you naman, Vince, how is it?
Grabe ako, nagbago din talaga yung buhay ko. Actually, galing nga ng Korea eh.
Wow!
First time niya nilala sa akin.
Fresh.
Picture sa akin. Sabi ko, wow, grabe. Iba na pala talaga to.
Tama, grabe.
Kumakain ako ng street food.
Doon mo na-realize.
Hindi ko na-realize. Pero, ewan ko, sobrang grateful lang talaga ako sa journey ko. Sa bahay ni Kuya. It challenged me. It pushed me out of my comfort zone. Mas nakilala ko yung sarili ko. Mas nakilala ko yung mga housemates. Para sa akin, madaming opportunities talaga na dumadating sa buhay namin ngayon. At siguro ito din yung opportunity na gumawa ka din ng sarili mong opportunity para sa sarili mo. Isa yun sa mga na-realize ko paglabas ko ng bahay ni Kuya. At wala, ako, moment by moment lang talaga ako. Kung ano yung dumating, ginagrab ko lang din talaga yung mga opportunities. And thankful lang talaga ako sa lahat ng nangyayari sa akin. Kaya sobrang thankful ako sa GMA, sa Sparkle, kila Miss Joy, and kila Miss Amel.
But that's also good, kasi sobrang parang ninanamnam nyo lang. Kasi medyo fresh pa rin talaga eh, di ba? So thank you so much, Vince. Ang fun naman ng kwento mo tungkol sa Korea. So ito, Shuvi? Yes? Kung pwede kang makausap, ikaw naman, ano mga nagbago sa life mo? Kahit medyo alam na namin yung mga ibang ganap.
Yes! Hello everybody! Ano nga ba yung question?
Yung mga,
Nagbago.
yes, nagbago sa life nyo.
Sobrang. Guys, kung alam nyo lang guys, kung alam nyo lang talaga, I may not have bagged the big winner title, but I truly feel like a winner. Proud ko naman talaga yung win. Grabe talaga, hindi ko po alam na kami ni Ate Clang ay mamahalin sa outside world. The moment I went out, opened the doors of PBB, hindi ko po alam na mayroon na akong guys yung sa, headband, yung mukha ko, tapos yung mga pangit ko na mukha na mga ganun-ganun. At tapos yung mga tarpaulin, syempre hindi mo yun aasahan. Akala ko 10 years after ko pa yun makikita. Pero napabilis dahil sa PBB. Kaya naman sobrang thankful. Of course, nagkaroon ako ng core, pangkat Shuvi, lahat po ng sumusuporta sa akin. Dahil po sa inyo, maraming salamat dahil nandito po ako because of you guys. And sobrang dami pong brands na, sabihin?
Too many to mention, yes.
Sumusuporta. Nag-viral pala yung TDH. Alam mo yung sa loob po kasi hindi niyo po aasahan na hindi niyo po alam kung ano po yung nangyayari sa labas. So, hindi namin alam kung mahal ba kami ng tao, kung grabe na pala ang bash sa amin. So, hindi ko alam, viral na pala yung TDH. Ang dami pong nangyari and until now, hindi ko po natatapos panoorin lahat ng videos na edits po nila. I'm just really grateful na Sparkle, Miss Joy, Miss Annette, opened the doors for me and now, kilala na ako ng tao, hindi lang as si Shuvi na nag-host, Shuvi Etrada talaga na island ate ng Cebu na go-getter, palaging nandiyan sa pamilya. Nakilala po ako and I stayed true to myself and that's because of my housemates po. Tinulungan po nila ako mag-acclimate po sa loob ng bahay. Kaya naman, tapusin na natin ito kasi ang dami kong sinasabi ba. And that's all for today. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And second question pa lang, jump back na. Yung kwentuhan dahil kay Shuvi. De, joke lang. Marami pa to, don't worry. Thank you so much, housemates. So, tuloy naman natin this